Hello friends, in this video we learn how to solve basic problems based on nth term of an arithmetic progression. I'll illustrate the concept by solving two problems. So let's say in the first problem we have to find the 12th term of a given arithmetic progression. Given AP is -3, -1/2, 2 and so on. Here we see that the first term of the arithmetic progression A is equal to -3. The common difference can be calculated by subtracting first term from the second term. So we have -1/2 minus -3. So it will be equal to -1/2 minus of -3 will be equal to +3. Now we'll have to take LCM and as a result we'll have -1 plus 6 divided by 2. By solving it, we'll get the common difference as 5/2. Now since we need to determine the 12th term, therefore n is equal to 12. Now we'll write the formula. So the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. And now we'll substitute the values. A12 is equal to -3 plus 12 minus 1 multiplied by 5/2. Now we'll subtract 1 from 12, so we'll have -3 plus 11 multiplied by 5/2. On multiplying 11 with 5/2, we'll get -3 plus 55/2. Now we'll take 2 as LCM and as a result we'll have -6 plus 55 whole divided by 2. And after subtracting we'll get 49 divided by 2 and it can be represented as 24 1/2 as a mixed fraction. Therefore the 12th term of the given AP is 24 1/2. So now let's take one more problem. Here we need to find the number of terms in the given arithmetic progression. Given AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on up to 205. Here we see that the first term of the AP, that is A, is 7. The common difference can be calculated by subtracting 7 from 13. So 13 minus 7 will be equal to 6. Also, an, that is the nth term, is 205. Now we'll apply the formula to find the nth term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So we have 205 equal to 7 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 6. Now we'll take 7 from RHS to LHS. So we'll have 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 6. By subtracting, we'll get 198 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 6. We can also write it as n minus 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 198. 6 is in multiplication with n minus 1, so when we'll take it from LHS to RHS, it will be divided by 198. So we'll have n minus 1 is equal to 198 divided by 6. By dividing we'll get n minus 1 is equal to 33. Now we'll take the constant -1 on the right hand side. So we will have n is equal to 33 plus 1 and hence we'll get n is equal to 34. Therefore the number of terms in the given arithmetic progression is 34. So guys, that's how we solve the basic problems based on the nth term of an arithmetic progression. We'll see how to solve language problems based on nth term of an arithmetic progression in the upcoming videos. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe Happy Learning for more videos. Write down your suggestions and queries in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!